In this video, we'll explore the Master section. Under Case Stage, you can view, edit, delete, and download all your existing stages. To create a new case stage, click on the Create Case Stage button. Simply enter the title of the case stage and click Create. That's it. You can view, edit, or delete any stage from the list as per your need. You can export your case stage in various formats: Excel, PDF, or simply copy the data as needed. The Cause section works the same way. You can view, edit, delete, download, or create a new code by entering the code name. To add a new code, click on the Create Code button and fill in the required information. You can view, edit, or delete any code from the list as per your need. You can export your code in various formats: Excel, PDF, or simply copy the data as needed. Similarly, in the Judge section, you can manage all the judges associated with your cases. To add a new judge, click on the Create Judge button and fill in the following details. Once all the information is entered, click on the Create button to save it. You can view, edit, or delete any judge from the list as per your need, and you can export your judge in various formats: Excel, PDF, or simply copy the data as needed. The Practice Area tab helps you define legal domains like civil, criminal, family, and so on. Add a new area by entering its title. You can view, edit, or delete any practice area from the list as per your need. You can export your practice area's details in various formats: Excel, PDF, or simply copy the data as needed. And finally, in Police Station, you can manage all the police stations relevant to your cases. Just add the station name and you're done. You can view, edit, or delete any station from the list as per your need. You can export your police station's details in various formats: Excel, PDF, or simply copy the data as needed. The Master section is designed to simplify data entry across the platform. Add once, reuse everywhere, making your workflow faster and smarter inside EOM.